This is the Circlip and retaining ring load calculator, which determines the load capacity and safety factors for retaining rings in mechanical assemblies. Let's start with the inputs. First, select your material from the drop-down menu. You can choose carbon steel with an allowable shear stress of 200 megapascals, stainless steel at 250 megapascals, or spring steel at 300 megapascals. For this demonstration, I'll use carbon steel. Next, enter the ring diameter in millimeters, then input the ring thickness in millimeters. The groove width in millimeters comes next. Enter your applied load in newtons. Finally, input the rotational speed in RPM, entering 0 if your assembly is stationary. After clicking Calculate, the results appear below. The calculator determines the maximum allowable load based on your selected material's shear strength and ring geometry. It calculates the actual stress in the ring under your applied load conditions. The safety factor shows how much margin you have between the applied and allowable stresses. For rotating applications, it also evaluates centrifugal stress effects on the ring's load capacity. This tool helps ensure your retaining ring selection meets safety requirements for your specific application. Find the link in the description below.